Oh, what's up, guys? What's up? 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 Am I in front of the camera? Let's get right in front of the camera real quick. What's going on, guys? Jay Steve here. Thanks for tuning in to Channel Bronx 83, a channel about everything and a channel about nothing. Thanks for the wait. Thanks for the patience. I know you guys been waiting for a video. Let me get my glasses on so I can see. I am sweating bullets. I'm like literally sweating right here. I'm getting the camera real quick. You can see I might be sweating. I'm like sweating. It is hot. 2 showers today. I'm like just hot. But I'm here for you guys. I'm here doing it for you guys. How you guys enjoying your summer? Hopefully you're in a cooler state. I'm in Maryland, Eastern Shore, so yeah, I'm close by the beach, but it is very hot. Alright, so let's get into this video real quick. So this video I'm gonna do, I don't know if I title it yet, and I'm probably gonna run it so my subscribers will see it before the general audience will see it, which is a good thing. I want to thank a couple people real quick off the top. Let me go into my comment real quick, and then we get into this video real quick. Let's see what we got. I'd like to thank, let's see. Let's thank Haley. Let's thank Marie. Let's thank, and I think Haley, Marie, and one more. I'm checking like my cell phone, my tablet. The other cell phone is recording me right now. And Robert, yes, I am using your hand still real quick. It's actually attached like a vice grip to my dressing counter, so that actually works really nice, and it's making the video very steady real quick. Let me get one more person real quick before I start this video real quick. David, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for commenting. I try to shout out all my new subscribers and help them out just for subscribing. Thank you guys. You guys make this what it is. Like I said, this channel is gonna have everything involved. It's gonna have shoes, gonna have clothes, gonna have my lifestyle, my family, without exposing too much of my information and location. But it's gonna pretty much be a general about me and also helping others, because that's what I want to do. So let's jump. Without further ado, let's jump into it. So I send the video to this phone so I can talk about what I want to talk about in this video, and then I'm gonna put the video back on that phone to update it so you guys can see what's going on. So today's topic is about maths, and I think I did 3 maths blog on it, but the first 2 was really on cross multiplication, and you guys did exceptionally well. I have a test on there that some people haven't took. Thank you for my 2 favorite students who got A+ off the top. You guys know who you are. I haven't got anything else, and like I said, if you don't want to submit it to me, it's fine, but that's what it is. So what I want to do is I want to talk about just general maths that you're going to need to succeed in pharmacy and in life general. Some of these maths are like 7th grade maths, believe it or not. So I'm going to talk about some mathematics stuff, and so let's jump right into it. So in retail and hospital, you're going to need to learn certain maths, and one of the maths you want to learn is going to be it's called metric table or metric prefix. You guys, you got to learn that. I'll put a link into where I get some of these information, so they're not mine. They're off the web, but I'm not saying you guys are not smart enough to Google it, but I just want you guys to know that this is what you need. So before we get into the intricate maths, let's just do the basic maths that we need to learn. Okay, so right here in this video that I screenshot the video and send, you're gonna learn, you're gonna need to learn your matrix. And matrix normally have meters, liters, and grams. You're gonna need to know that. Now meters maybe not so much, but liters and grams, you definitely gonna want to learn. These are gonna help you with converting tablets from milligrams to kilograms to grams, liters from kiloliters to milliliters to gram. I'm gonna put that graph and put a link up into it. So pretty much I have these charts that I look online, and they have certain thing called bunny metrics. It shows you how to move the decimal place from 1 to 1,000, or from 1,000 to 0.001. And it just kind of gives you an idea of how to calculate these things. Now, how does this work in pharmacy? Well, if a prescription comes through in a retail setting for like folic acid, which is 1 milligrams, you already know that 1 milligram is the same thing as equivalent to 1,000 micrograms. So So I want you guys to learn this. It's kilo, hecto, dectometers, stuff like that. You know what I mean? Learn how to move the decimal places from the kilo to dectometers, from meters to that. And that's what I want you guys to focus on. Learn how to bunny step these matrix. Now, if you can get past that and you learn these simple stuff, then you can go on to the intricate stuff of learning other stuff in the videos, like how many mLs are in 1 teaspoon, how many units are in 1 ml, how many drops are in an ml. You know what I mean? And that's what I want you to learn. So I'm going to put this still up on the video while I talk about it. And these are just stuff that you need to learn off the top. These are just key stuff that are going to help you guys succeed. If you see me working my watch, it's because my watch kind of like helped. So let's go into a couple short example real quick and show you how you get beneficial from these things real quick. So off the top, if you have a prescription for eye drops in retail, you need to calculate a day supply. You need to learn how many drops are in an ml. So for example, there's 20 or 15 drops in 1 ml. So if you have a 5 ml bottle, you know that there's 100 drops that a patient can use. So you need to know what eyes, how many times they're using in each eye, and calculate that for the insurance company. Simple. Same thing with oral suspension. Not saying you don't want to learn the strength of what it is, but you need to calculate if it's a 150 bottle, a 50 ml bottle. When the person take 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, you need to learn that 1 teaspoon is 5 mLs, 1 tablespoon is 15 mLs, you know, so or 1 tablespoon is 3 teaspoon, which is the same thing as 15 mLs. So these are just stuff that you guys will need to learn. Now the next thing you guys will need to learn, and these will help you on the test as well. The next thing you guys need to learn is liters, stuff like that. You guys need to be key on like just stuff like that. You need to learn basic maths conversion, which is like, you know, 1 milligram equal 1,000 microgram. 1 milligram equal 1,000 microgram. 1 gram equals 1,000 milligram. You know, 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliter. 1 ml is 1 cc. 5 mLs equal 1 teaspoon. 3 teaspoon equals 1 tablespoon. 15 ml is the same thing as 1 tablespoon. 30 ml is 1 ounce, but sometimes you really want to be intricate. 30 mLs, it could be really 1 ounce is what? 28.7. I guess I'm rounding off to 7. 1 ounce is 2. 1 ounce is what? 2 tablespoons. 8 ounces is 1 cup. 1 kilogram is 1,000 gram. 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. And I'm glad I ended with the word pounds in that section right there, because here's the things you need to know. Most drugs are weight-based. And when a patient comes in, they're going to go by their body weight. So sometimes the prescription or the conversion in your software, whatever you're using, is going to be in kilograms. So the patient comes in weighing a certain pound, you need to know to convert it. So if you look at yourself, get on the scale tonight, weigh yourself, and then divide that, what you weigh in pounds, by 2.2, and you should get your answer in kilograms. So if you weigh 155 pounds, you divide that by 2.2, guess what you're going to get? You're going to get 70 point something kilogram, and that's what you weigh. Because most of the drugs go by kilograms and not by pounds. So you need to know to convert basic stuff just to get it. I'm telling you, when I did the examination, these are what the questions are going to ask you. They're going to ask you how to convert teaspoon to mLs. They're going to ask you how many units are in an ml. They're going to ask you how many drops are in an ml. They're going to ask you how many kilograms are in a gram. How many milligrams are in a kilogram. How many milligrams are in a gram. How many liters are in a milliliter. How many, you know, and when I put the flash on this strobe, I don't want you guys to get confused and be like, well, Steve, you showed me this chart that we did in 7th grade and all that kind of stuff, and I'm seeing hectogram, I'm seeing decagram, I'm seeing decigram, I'm seeing centigram. I'm not saying those things are not important, but really and truly, they only use pretty much milligram, gram, and kilograms. They use milliliters, liters, and kiloliters. They only use, and we don't do centimeters because we don't really use distance. So these are the key things I want you guys to learn. Now, when you do a math problem, because it gives you guys problems, the best thing to do is convert these problems into the same aspect. If you're working with kilograms, convert to kilogram. If you're working with milligram, convert to milligram. These charts are going to show you how to move the decimal places to get these to the same function. That way, when you plug it into your cross multiplication, then you know how to get the answers done. Alright, guys? So what I want you guys to do, I'm going to put the chart up, and I want you guys to study these timetables, okay? I will get into pharmacology. I will get into some pills. I will get into some generic name of blood pressure and stuff like that. But for now, I want you to learn your metric prefix or your metric chart. Your metric chart, like I said, are divided into three main components. And the three main components are, let me reiterate, they are, come on now. I'm like looking at my phone trying to get what it is. It is meters, liters, and grams. Like I said, we don't use meters too much, but you definitely want to learn your liters and your gram. You want to know how to convert, and this is what's going to make you successful. Now, let's get the blunt truth for a second. All these things you're going to learn are going to be on your exams. These are stuff that are going to be challenging to learn. And that's why I'm here to help you guys. J. Steve, you know what I'm doing? This is what I do. You know what I mean? That's what we do. Now, for a technician who's been working in the field for this long, do you really use it that much? To be honest with you, in the 10 years of Walmart and the 7 years of hospital, no. Because with technology right now, everything is almost like it's printed. The conversions are already there. Is it nice to know? Sure. You want to learn these things because sometimes when the system doesn't work, you need to calculate these doses to get them right. So I need you guys to not only learn this just for the examination, but also take it in your real everyday life. When you go into stores from now on and you look at Tylenol 325 milligrams or Tylenol 500 or Tylenol 650, convert those things for me, guys. I want you guys to say, okay, 2 of these tablets equal 1 gram. So if you see 2 500 milligram, 2 tablets equals 1 gram. When you look at folic acid, I want you to look in the vitamin section and you see that 900 milligrams equal how many? 900 micrograms equal how many milligrams? I want you guys to learn that. You know what I mean? I want you guys to look at certain stuff when you're in the store. Look at weight. I want you to talk to your friends. You know, every time you see someone's going to scale, I want you to divide that by 2.2. Give the answer in kilo. Get familiar with it. Because these are the questions they're going to ask you to succeed. And you can use these things. So this is what I want you guys to learn. Learn your mLs. Okay? Learn everything from 20 drops to an ml, 100 units, 1 ml, all the way up to a liter. Learn that, guys. 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, 1 ounce, 1 cup, you know what I mean? All the way up to a liter. Same thing with milligram, micrograms. I want you to learn from micrograms to milligrams to grams to kilograms, okay? I want you guys to also learn simple stuff. These are the stuff that you need. Change the marks, put them on the same thing like I showed you on the cross multiplication field, and divide these out. Okay, guys? Email me. Thanks for my new subscribers. Here's my video out. Those are the things that, guys, I want you guys to focus is on metric. Look it up. I'll put a link in the video. Metric tables, okay? Metric tables. I won't say it one more time. Metric table. Say it with me one time, guys. Metric table. These are the things you're going to need to subscribe, okay? It is hot. It's almost 14 minutes since video run. I got to edit it. I am sticky. I might take a third shower. Alright, guys. J. Steve, Bronx 83. Peace.